back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to do this video with you guys. If you couldn't tell by the title what we're doing today, I also am having visitors come this weekend. So if you have watched my past videos, you know I like to keep a candy dish out for visitors that's full of the most delicious candies, but also I like to keep pies, cakes, brownies, cookies, something really sweet and yummy in my little cake dome, so that people feel free to get dessert any time of the day at my house. That's a rule. No limit on desserts if you're a visitor. Maybe a limit for my baby, but no rules at my house when it comes to desserts if visitors are here, okay? So we need something delicious to put in this little cake dome so that people feel free to get dessert any time of the day at my house. What I'm going to make today is Dolly Parton Southern Style Coconut Cake. On the back of this box, it has Dolly's favorite coconut cake, what you need, and all of the directions, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. And I had to wear my pink outfit for Dolly. She is sporting her little pink polka dot outfit on the box, and so I had to wear this. And if you want to check out this outfit and more outfits, I'll link it below for you guys, so you can also get the Dolly vibe in your wardrobe. Dolly has good taste, so I know that this cake is gonna taste good, okay? Let's get started on this cake. I've never made this before, so we're gonna do this together. They also have a Southern style banana cake. So watch out for the next recipe video when I make the banana cake. So let's see what we need for Dolly's favorite coconut cake. We need 1 package of Duncan Hines Dolly Parton's coconut cake mix, which is what we have right here. 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 4 eggs, 1 container of Duncan Hines Dolly Parton's creamy buttercream frosting. She also is on the frosting, all right? She has her own frosting. Also need 2 cups of sweetened flaked coconut, which we have right here, and Pam baking spray. I bought this Pam especially for this because whatever Dolly tells me to do is what I'm gonna do, okay? So we got the pan, we got everything we need. So you preheat the oven to 350, which I've already done. Spray 2 8-inch round pans with baking spray. Okay, this is where I'm not gonna listen to Dolly because I don't have 2 8-inch baking pans. I do have 1 big 9-inch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it all in this bigger pan and then cut it in half. So that's the only thing on this recipe that I'm gonna be doing differently. Sprayed our pan with Pam, and then we are going to add everything together. So first, the cake mix, 1 cup of milk, and I went ahead and melted my butter like Dolly told me to. Now I'm gonna add the 4 large eggs. 2, 3, and 4. Low speed until moistened for about 30 seconds, and then beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. So let's do that. We'll go on low speed. Okay, it's moistened. Now I'm gonna do medium speed for 2 minutes. So let's do that. All right, that was 2 minutes. And it looks pretty good, and you can smell the coconut in this cake mix already. Does Adam and baby want to lick the...
I guess so.
This is the best part, you have to, right? Okay, I'm just gonna have a little... Okay, wow, that batter tastes really good. We're gonna add the batter to the pan. I already have my oven preheating, so I'm just gonna stick this in. And for anyone wondering, this little set that I have right here, the cherry set, I got at TJ Maxx. How cute is it? Oh my gosh, I just can't get over how coconutty the batter tastes. It's so yummy. I'm so excited to see what this cake turns out like. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna stick it in the oven for about 24 minutes, and then I'm gonna check it and see if it's ready. Okay, now our cake is cooled, and since I didn't do the 2 8-inch pans, we're gonna cut this in half. But don't worry, look on the side of the box, you'll see that it also has the bake time for a 13x9 regular cake pan too. So you don't even have to do the rounded cake pan, but I'm just trying to follow Dolly's favorite coconut cake directions. This may be the biggest fail ever, but I'm going to try to cut this right down the middle, set it aside here, and do the first layer because our next step is going to be to frost the cake. So that's what I'm going to try to do, okay? Let's see. I feel like I need to throw my hair back. All right.
You look so cute.
It's probably gonna be lopsided, but that's okay. I'm no expert here, and this is all gonna be covered in icing, so I mean, any mistakes can be fixed, right? Or hidden rather than fixed. This makes me really nervous, okay. All right, moment of truth. Wow, I think I did pretty good. It looks pretty even to me, so that worked out well. All right, now that we have our 2 pieces of cake we were initially supposed to have, all right, we're bringing out the dome for the frosting, okay? Probably gonna have to do a little bit of a cleanup here, but that's okay. Let's get the bottom of our cake on here. It says we're gonna do 1/2 cup of frosting on the first layer. This is a little tricky because I didn't really think this through, but it makes sense now. The middle layer, since I cut it in half, is the inside of the cake, so it's really soft and the cake is pulling up in the icing a little bit, but since it's in the middle, it doesn't matter. Someone recommended to buy 2 of these just to make sure you cover the whole cake, and so I did. So I may actually get the other one out too, depending on how much of the cake I cover. We have our first layer on. Now let's add the top. Put the rest of this on top. You guys, I'm really glad I bought the other Duncan Hines Dolly Parton's creamy buttercream frosting because I'm gonna need it to complete the whole cake. So let me get it. And you know what? Thank goodness for other reviewers, because had I not done this, this cake might have been a fail, but I think we're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna get around the edges and we'll do like a quick cleanup before I put on the coconut flakes, but we're doing good so far. And honestly, you can never have too much frosting, right? Like that's one of the best parts about this. But I do recommend to get 2 of these just so you make sure you cover the whole cake. And I cleaned up the edges just a little bit with my little paper towel here. And now let's put the coconut flakes on. Press coconut around the top and the sides of the cake. Slice and serve. So let's do it. Okay, you guys, I have it decorated. I don't think it's gonna look as beautiful as Dolly's does here, but the true test is, does it taste good? And if it does taste bad, I'm gonna blame myself and not Dolly. Just gonna cut a little piece. Oh, it looks pretty good.
Oh.
I'm actually so excited. It turned out really cute on the inside. Okay, let me bring it to you guys so you can see it. That looks pretty cute, huh? Yeah, that looks really good considering, you know, I didn't use the right cake pans, but yeah, it looks really good. And look at the icing in the middle. It's like kind of soaking into the cake. Here we go. I don't know why I'm nervous. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is really, really, really good. I'm not just saying that. That is very good. Like, the cake is kind of light. And oh my gosh, the coconut is the perfect coconut taste. This is really good. Adam's gonna try this off. Well, he's gonna try on camera. He's just not gonna be shown on camera. Have a bite, Adam, and tell us what you think.
Very moist. It's really good.
Are you just saying that, or you think that?
No, it's really good.
It's really good.
Is the frosting coconut too, or is this regular?
No, it's buttercream. It's a good balance, right?
Yeah, very.
I'm gonna fork that because I gotta finish this. Okay, guys, that is all I have for you. Go check out this cake. I promise you, if this tasted bad, I would tell you guys. It tastes really, really good. If you love coconut cake and you want to make a quick box cake, this is really good. I can see. Let me not talk with my mouth full. I can see why this is Dolly's favorite coconut cake. It's very, very good. Moist and has the perfect coconut flavor to the actual cake. Go check it out. Like I said, I had to kind of search at 3 different Krogers for this, so you know it's good if it's sold out everywhere. And I think it's only a limited time, and I'm late to the game. I've seen this recipe posted like months ago, so I'm very late to the game, but better late than never because this is so delicious, and I hope our guests like it this weekend. Until next time, bye.